You know this feeling. You can watch a movie, you can read a news article, and you understand 90% of it. But the second you open your mouth to speak, your brain freezes. The words you know are suddenly trapped inside. If you've ever said, "I understand English, but I can't speak it," you are not alone. It's the single biggest frustration for every serious English learner. But what if I told you there are only 6 simple secrets that instantly bridge that gap? Today, at Clear Voice English, we're giving you the blueprint. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why this happens and what to do starting today to finally unlock your voice. The problem comes down to one simple truth. You've been practicing the wrong skill. Think of it like driving a car. Listening is like sitting in the passenger seat. You see where you're going, you understand the journey, but you're not controlling the wheel or the pedals. It's passive input. Speaking is driving. You have to control the words, the grammar, the pronunciation, and the rhythm all at once. It's active output. Your ears are trained, but your mouth and your speaking muscles are lazy because they haven't had enough practice. So, how do we get you in the driver's seat? We need to activate those muscles. Here are the 6 secrets successful learners use every day. Secret number 1. Stop the translation habit. Many of you are wasting precious seconds translating in your head. You think in your native language, then you try to rebuild the sentence in English. This is too slow. The fix is to start thinking in English. Begin with simple things. When you wake up, narrate your morning silently. I'm making coffee. The bus is late. The sky is blue. Describe your world in simple English. This trains your brain to connect ideas directly to English words. Secret 2. Use the mirror and the mic. Don't wait for a conversation partner. You need to open your mouth, even when you're alone. The fix? We have 2 powerful tools. First, the mirror talk method. Stand in front of a mirror and talk to yourself. Watch your mouth move. Pretend you're talking to a friend. Second, the voice diary. Use your phone's voice recorder. Talk about your day for 1 minute. When you listen back, you become your own teacher and you hear your own progress. Secret 3. Shadowing is the bridge. This is the most underrated technique. It's called shadowing. The fix: find a short audio clip, a podcast, a movie scene, and repeat what the speaker says at the exact same time. Focus on matching their rhythm, their tone, and their stress. You are literally building a bridge from your ears to your mouth, making the English sounds feel natural, not strange. Secret 4. Fluency over perfection. Fear is the #1 fluency killer. Many learners freeze because they're terrified of making small grammar mistakes. The fix: your goal is connection, not perfection. Native speakers make mistakes all the time. Focus on getting your message across. If the other person understands you, you are already successful. Drop the fear and embrace the errors. They are necessary steps to fluency. Secret 5. Own the words. You understand a word. Great. But that one-time understanding is not enough for speaking. The fix: when you learn a new word, you must own it. Say it out loud 3 or 4 times. Write it down in a sentence. Then, try to use it in a real conversation or in your mirror talk later that day. Repetition is the bridge from knowing a word passively to being able to use it actively. And finally, secret number 6. Consistency beats marathon sessions. You don't need 2 hours of study once a week. You need 5 to 10 minutes of active speaking every single day. The fix: speaking is a habit, not a talent. Use your voice diary for 5 minutes or do shadowing for 10 minutes. These small daily actions build the speaking muscle quietly and consistently. Fluency doesn't come in one big moment. It comes step by step, so there you have it. There is nothing wrong with you. Your brain knows the language. You just need to let your mouth join the team. You now have the full blueprint. Think in English. Practice alone with the mirror and mic. Shadow to connect your ears to your mouth. Prioritize connection over perfection. Own your words through repetition, and be consistent with small, daily steps. I want you to choose just one of these methods and try it for the next 3 days. Tell me in the comments below, which secret will you try first, shadowing or the voice diary? If this video helped you understand the speaking gap, please hit that like button and subscribe to Clear Voice English for more practical tips to unlock your fluency. Now, stop watching and go start speaking. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.